Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you a really simple recipe. I'm going to show you how I make a Choriz Chilly Fry, and I'm actually going to be making this to make a stuffing. Now, last year I smoked these sausages. Typically, I will make a huge batch over the summer and I smoke them and then I save them and I'm ready to use them any time of the year. Of course, you can make choriz with pork. I've made it with beef instead since we don't eat pork, but you can make this out of pork as well as you can also buy them ready-made to make this chili fry. Before I go any further with this recipe, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the filling. I have 534 grams of choriz or smoked sausage. This is a Goan style sausage and it's typically made of pork, but I make mine out of beef. You can use any kind of filling that you like. This batch was smoked and prepared last summer. I'm going to start frying 2 cups, that's 300 grams of cubed potatoes. I have cut these pretty small since this is going to be used in the stuffing. Remove this and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups, that's 180 grams of finely minced onion. Allow this to sweat and change color. Next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons, that's 26 grams of sliced green chilies. I cut all of the sausage into small pieces and I'm going to add it in. I'm also going to add salt and pepper to taste. You can also add 1 to 2 small tomatoes if you like the filling more moist. Next, I'm going to add all the potatoes back in and cook it together with the choriz. Finish off with 1 cup of chopped coriander. I'm going to allow it to cool, and for best results, you can just make this ahead. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. This is a really simple Choriz Chilly Fry recipe and it's specifically made for a filling. If you love my videos, guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to let me know what you think about my video. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time. Do take care. Happy eating. Bye.